Assalamualaikum. Today is informing. I'm quitting international news satire. You know what? I'm just not a good idea. And also, who would want to watch a channel where someone is speaking broken Urdu and making fun of other countries like bad thing about France, and bad thing about England, bro, and bad thing about the deep state or so. And it's not good. It's not so good, I guess. I wouldn't. I mean, imagine a channel where someone speaks terrible Japanese just to bad math other countries. No way out. No way out. What's that? I would not will not watch that. So from now on, I'm changing my approach about my channel. This channel will be all about speaking the Urdu I learned from urdupoma101.com. Once I get some more comfortable, I'll start making content with example sentences, sharing options and my opinions, and creating something more structures. I also change the channel name later. Stay tuned for what coming next. That's all. Syukuria our film